Hello everyone, it's Gino from Prosperna. Our mission is to empower 100,000 SMEs with simple and affordable e-commerce software tools to help you grow your business. Today, I'm here to show you how to set a customer as a wholesaler. Supplying products to a wide array of customers requires branching out the sources you have. A good way to do is through being open to wholesalers. This way, you can now set bulk products with less prices for chosen customers. Here's how to do it. Before you set the customer as a wholesaler, you need to activate the wholesale feature first. This is to give an option for those who plan to buy your products in bulk. Go to Settings. Under Order Settings, click on Order. Scroll down until you see the Allow Wholesale toggle. Switch it on or off. Click Save. This is only applicable for premium subscription as an add-on feature. To tag a customer as a wholesaler, log on to your backend account, go to the customers page and click on the desired customer. Click on Update Details, scroll down until you find the label named Groups. Click on the wholesaler checkbox, save and close. That's it for this tutorial. You can learn more about the other features by reading our online knowledge base at help.prosperna.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more cool digital marketing content. Be sure to hit the bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. For more awesome updates, you can also like our Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Till next time.